Hello friends, welcome to Sub Coaching channel. In the last lecture we have discussed about the graphical method in chapter number 3 of your linear equation in two variables. To proceed further, we will be discussing today in today's lecture graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation. So whenever a linear equation is given to you, it will be in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. It will be in this form, or a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So जब भी आपको कोई भी लीनियर इक्वेशन दिया गया होगा वो या तो इस एक्सप्रेशन या इस एक्सप्रेशन की फॉर्म में आपको दिया जाएगा. सो बाय लुकिंग ओनली एट द लीनियर इक्वेशन यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई दैट व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू प्लॉट दिस लीनियर इक्वेशन इन योर ग्राफ वेदर दिस टू लाइन्स आर गोइंग टू इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर और दे विल बी पैरेलल टू ईच अदर और आर दे कोइंसिडेंट टू ईच अदर. सो ये तीन पॉसिबिलिटीज हो सकती है. या तो वो एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करेगी, या तो वो दोनों लाइन आपस में एक दूसरे के पैरेलल रहेंगे, या तो वो दोनों लाइन आपस में कोइंसिडेंट रहेंगे. सो बाय जस्ट लुकिंग एट द इक्वेशन you can identify that. So how you are going to do that? So what I have told you, either they will be intersecting line. Intersecting lines का मतलब क्या होता है? This is your Cartesian plane. If equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, जब आप ये दो इक्वेशन को लीनियर इक्वेशंस को आप प्लॉट करोगे ग्राफ में, सो ऑन प्लॉटिंग दिस ऑन ग्राफ, यदि ये दो लाइन आपस में एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं देन दे आर कॉल्ड एज योर इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. सो जब भी इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस होती है वहां पे ओनली वन कॉमन सॉल्यूशन इज पॉसिबल. इज दैट क्लियर? सो जब भी इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस होगी वहां पे एग्जैक्टली one solution will be possible for us, or you can say that it is a unique solution. So how you can identify that this equation is your for linear equation? यदि आपका जो linear equation है यदि वो ये condition को satisfy करे, that is a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. यदि ये condition हो रहा है, so then we can say that the line is your intersecting lines. Is that clear? So जब ये condition होगी तो what type of solution you will be getting? Exactly one solution is possible. Is that clear? Or you can say that it is a unique solution. Unique solution. So let us take an example of two linear equation. X minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. This is first linear equation. Second, 2x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. So ये आपके ये दो लीनियर इक्वेशंस दिए गए हैं आपको. सो यहाँ पे आपकी a1 की वैल्यू क्या है? एज यू कैन सी x के आगे में कोई भी कोफिशिएंट नहीं लिखा हुआ है, सो कोई भी नंबर नहीं है, मीन्स दैट इज a1 की वैल्यू आपकी क्या होगी? 1 होगी. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a2? a2 की वैल्यू क्या है आपकी यहाँ पे? दैट इज 2. नाउ b1 की वैल्यू है आपकी -3. वी हैव टू टेक द पर्टिकुलर साइन ऑल्सो, दैट इज -3. एंड b2 की वैल्यू क्या है आपकी? दैट इज 4. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ c1? c1 इज योर +7 एंड c2 इज योर -10. ये आपकी a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 की वैल्यूज है. इज दैट क्लियर? यदि अपन इसको कंडीशंस में रखें, सो a1 by a2 मीन्स 1/2 b1 by b2, that is minus 3 by 4. So only you need to compare these two values. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So if they are not equal, then we can say that this particular linear equation is an example of your intersecting lines. Is that clear? So second type of graph that you are going to get is your coincident line. Coincident lines mean this is your Cartesian plane, and when you are going to plot the two linear equations that are given to you, suppose you get a straight line for linear equation 1 like this, and for second linear equation also you get the same straight line. So they both line are what they are doing, they are coinciding with each other. So then we can say that that particular graph or that particular linear equation can have infinite many solution. Infinite solution is possible for them. Why? Because these two lines are coinciding with each other. So at each and every point they will have a unique solution, or sorry, they will have an infinite solution. So in that particular case we can say that the linear equation is your coincident. So what is the condition for that particular case? It should be a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 should be equal to c1 by c2. यदि ये कंडीशन आपका होता है कोई भी लीनियर इक्वेशन, कोई भी दो पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन में, देन वी कैन से दैट इट इज योर कोइंसिडेंट लाइन. इज दैट क्लियर? सो एग्जांपल से अपन इसको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. यदि एक एग्जांपल है अपने पास 3x प्लस 2y minus 4 equal to 0. We can say one more example, that is 6x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. So what is the value of a1? That is 3. So a1 is your 3 divided by a2 is your 6. b1 आपका 2 है, b2 आपका 4 है, c1 आपका it is minus 4 and c2 is your minus 8. So on making it expressing it in a simplest form, it will come 1 by 2, it will also come 1 by 2, and here also it will be equal to 1 by 2. So from here we can say that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So this condition is for your infinite many solution. Is that clear? So third type of line is your parallel line. So पैरेलल लाइन ऐसे इक्वेशंस होंगे लीनियर इक्वेशंस जिसमें वो दो लीनियर इक्वेशन जब अपन ड्रॉ करेंगे ग्राफ में, दे आर बोथ आर गोइंग टू बी पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. दैट मीन्स दैट दिस लाइन्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू कोइंसाइड विथ ईच अदर. यदि इसको अपन एक्सटेंड भी करते जाएंगे then also they are not going to be joining with each other. So these lines are called as your parallel lines. तो इस particular linear equation के लिए condition क्या होना चाहिए आपका? a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 but it is not equal to c1 by c2. यदि ऐसा कोई condition है linear equation का, then that particular linear equation is going to give you parallel lines. Is that clear? So यदि अपन एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं x प्लस 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is your first equation. Second is 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So from here a1 की वैल्यू as you know यहाँ पे कोई नंबर नहीं, मीन्स it will be 1. a1 is 1, a2 is your 2, b1 it is 2, b2 it is 4, c1 minus 4 and c2 it is your minus 12. So 1 by 2 it cannot be reduced further. 2 by 4 it can be expressed as 1 by 2, and over here it can be written as 1 by 3. So you can see 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, but it is not equal to 1 by 3. So this particular equation is for your parallel lines. So whenever there will be a parallel line, no solution will be possible for that particular graph. No solution. Why no solution? Because these two lines are never going to meet with each other. Is that clear? So this is the information that we can be able to obtain when you are going to plot this graph, this particular linear equation in the graph. एक और information what we can collect from here is that यदि यहाँ पे कोई भी solution नहीं आ रहा है, that means it is your inconsistent. That is your inconsistent. Is that clear? ये आपका जो solution है वो inconsistent है. And if you are going to get the solution, यदि आप solution obtain कर रहे हैं, then we can say that it is your consistent form. Is that clear? So what are the two conditions for which the solution will be consistent? Means it should be intersecting line. It can be intersecting line, or it can be your consistent. What else? What we have done is your coincident line, when two lines are going to be colliding with each other. So that is your consistent line. Is that clear? Intersecting line as well as your coincident line. यदि ये दो condition है, so then the solution will be your consistent. यदि no solution is there, then it is your inconsistent. Is that clear? So from here you can look into the exercise number 2 of your NCERT textbook, and you will be able to solve the question that are being asked in that particular session. If you like this video, I will request to please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you.